Canadian banks have been increasing their dividends. In this video, we'll take a look at the top 6 Canadian banks and their latest dividend increases. Royal Bank of Canada, the largest bank in the country, has announced that it will pay a quarterly dividend of $1.20 per share, up 11% from its current dividend of $1.08 per share. Moreover, Royal Bank of Canada has announced its intention to repurchase up to 45 million of its common shares. TD, which is Canada's second biggest bank, has announced that it would increase its dividend by 10 cents for the quarter, ending January 31st, 2022. And that's going to be up from 79 cents that they used to pay per share. And it has also said that it would buy back up to 50 million of its shares, or about 2.7% of outstanding shares of TD Bank. Bank of Nova Scotia similarly will raise its quarterly dividend by 10 cents per common share to reach $1 per share. It has also announced plans for share buybacks. On the other hand, CIBC, Canada's fifth largest bank, has also raised its dividend to reach $1.61 from $1.46, and has said that it would buy back up to 10 million shares, or about 2.2% of outstanding common stocks. Lastly, National Bank of Canada, which is the smallest top Canadian banks, has announced that a solid 23% sequential increase in its quarterly dividends to reach about 87 cents per share. However, despite a rise in its dividend payment, as well as the latest quarterly revenue, whereby they increased it by 10% from a year ago to reach $2.25 billion in revenue during the quarter, its stock plunged after having hit record highs recently. This was mainly due to missing analyst earnings and revenue estimates in their latest quarterly report by a narrow margin. We did not notice any dividend increase from Bank of Montreal, and in fact, in its last dividend increase goes back to December of 2019. Are you invested in any Canadian banks? Let us know in the comment section down below which banks are you invested in. Would love to hear from you. By the way, don't miss a video we posted recently comparing different Canadian banks and their stocks. The link is provided in the description of the video. We hope you found this video beneficial and gained something of value from it. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Here on Momentum Finance, we post every week several videos about investing, as well as ways to reach financial freedom. Thank you, and we hope to see you next time.